Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a cutscene. So first you point this. So you have this camera part, and I'll show you the plugin. Also, you need to search. You need to search. In here you will need to search. Search cutscene maker plugin like that. So go here, cutscene maker plugin. Also, I'm cutscene maker plugin. Now, now you will see this. Sorry guys, I was just distracted. Let's just continue back. So if click this and you might download. So I'm gonna use my friend's own models. So I'm gonna use the freezer. I'm gonna use the freezer model like this and put it right over here. And if you want to make the cutscene of freezer, you can just use this to make the cutscene. So we're going to add this the freezer right here, and I'm going to add the I'm going to add myself or Nick Musdegas. I'm going to copy. Guys, sorry. So wait, I'm gonna go add myself to not disturb. Sorry guys. Alright, now I'm now back going to make the video. I'm going to spawn my friend as that's how we make it good. So go there, here, go here, and I'm going to search up some of my friends, I guess. Now search. I already found it. Now copy this and copy, paste, copy, add this, and you might have the rig. We will have the rig. Now when we have the rig, we're going to add it to our character and make it character turn. Now add this. I'm going because that's how he can be the part of the cutscenes because he's the owner. And you can just add this, and there you go. If you I first got sorry, I need to point it at the guys. Now we actually with the cutscene, and there we go. Alright, that's how we make the cutscene. So if you wanna make it far, you can just become far from the cutscene so it's kind of fast, so that's why it doesn't look so. If you want to make it more far, you can just do this. It will point you back. So that's kind of easy, I guess. Now, alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So also, if you want to add a rig and you don't know, just search load character. So load character, so you will find some tools, but this costs Robux, so this costs too much money, so you can just use the light version. It's free and available. It's also like the same, but alright, I guess. No, so I think this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye.